After the debacle against England, Team India will travel down under before the 2015 World Cup to test waters. VVS Lakshman, who has given nightmares to Australian bowlers throughout his career, believes that the English experience would help the cricketers do well on the arduous Australia tour. Lakshman blamed the batsmen's collective failure as the main reason for the drubbing Team India received during the English summer. However, the stylish wrist player added that the present crop of players have the potential and talent.
I think they can definitely do well. There's no doubt, and you've seen that at Lords. It's unfortunate they didn't do well after the Lords Test match, but when you saw one of the best victories Indian team had in overseas conditions, so I think they've got the potential, they've got the talent. It's just about converting that into performances, and I'm sure that even though we lost badly in England, that England series would be a great learning experience for all the young batsmen who played for the first time in English conditions. So I'm sure that they will do well in Australia, and the reason I believe they'll do well is because they've got the talent.
Lakshman highlighted the importance of domestic level cricket and maintained that the only way batsmen can make their entry into the national team is by scoring 100 and doubles at the domestic level.
I've always been a believer of getting big hundreds, and especially at domestic level. If you have to make a mark and come into the Indian team, the only way you can do that as a batsman is to get big hundreds.
Lakshman believes the England failure will serve as a learning curve for the young cricketers who will enhance their profile as a test cricketer when they visit Australia by the end of the year.
I think the failure of batting, because after the Lords Test match, in all the 3 Test matches, we struggled with our batting. And especially in the last 2 Test matches, bowler-friendly wickets, but we were losing the first 4-5 wickets within the first 1 hour. So when you do that in the first innings, where you lose 4 wickets within the first 1 hour for not much score on the board, then it's very difficult to come back and save the game, not only win the game. So I think we were under tremendous pressure, and I think we have to accept that our batsmen didn't do well in England conditions, and it's a learning experience for them. I'm sure that experience will only help them to become better test cricketers.
Talking about Virender Sehwag, Yuvraj Singh, Lakshman said,
I think it totally depends on how they perform in the domestic championships, and I think we have to just wait and see how their domestic season goes, because we know that they are fantastic players and match winners. It's important that they perform in the opportunities they get before the selection happens.
Powered by NNIS.